The Streets of Paraguay, a series where we take a look at the neighborhoods of the capital of Paraguay, Asuncion. Is Latin America as dangerous as the media tries to make it or not?
So, now we are in the border of Morra and Recoleta. Morra over there, Avenida Mariscal Lopez. This is Recoleta. Where can we find in Recoleta? I say that is the border because actually this is also Shopping Morra, and then we have Shopping Mariscal. Two great shopping malls, but here we have more than that. It's an area that I love a lot. Beautiful streets, I love it. I'm also looking at the phone, but you can't negate it. Yeah, this is like a hike. It feels like a hike when you're walking around here. As I was saying, Shopping Morra, it's this one, Shopping Mariscal Lopez. Two different neighborhoods. This one, I like it more. This is much smaller, Morra. It's more old school. This one has better shops. There's a great gift shop over here. I bought a few gifts for people that I want to take care of. And in Recoleta, you have actually really good shops and restaurants. For example, one that you have to visit is Hotel La Misión. It's one of the best ones in Paraguay. It's in the top 5 for sure. Then you have Ogaúcho. Ogaúcho is this churrasqueria, this Brazilian Rodizio that you can enjoy in so many places of Brazil. You've seen in Florianopolis, Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo. I love Rodizios, and you can find here as well. It's a great place to do the tip in the beginning. So you have the satellite effect. Then they bring you only the best cuts of meat and you can really enjoy the dinner. They serve you much faster. So do it in Ogaúcho. You have different restaurants that are top-notch here. It's a very coveted area for real estate. It's a place where they are increasing the prices crazily. And actually, some of the people we're going to interview for real estate are building here. So are developing new towers that will make the whole area to appreciate even more. Shopping Mariscal has this area, Bloque A, and then has this other one, and plenty of restaurants. Come here, you can work with your laptop, you can have meetings, very chill. There's one here for healthy food that I like a lot. I should remember the name, but it's been a while that I'm not here. But it's gonna be on the first class map actually. If you just request as the first class map of Asunción, it's gonna be there for sure. Like, oh, La Huerta, there we go, that's the name. Thank you, universe, you reminded me. So La Huerta, it's great quantities of food, very healthy. You find a lot of international influence. Korean, Japanese, Chinese food. So Italian, a lot of Italian. Pizza, la vera pizza napoletana, like restaurant Pulcinella. You have many buffets as well. So if you like buffet style, you can come to this area, really good ones. And the street art, we captured already a few, but you can see that graffitis and paintings on the walls are beautiful. Check this out. Outdoor areas, people socialize here, but it's not the top notch of Paraguay, like across the street. And usually the best meetings for business purposes, higher positions in the government, that's a good place. La Misión. Actually, if they catch you doing something dodgy here, for example, let's say you take a car and you park it incorrectly, or you are driving against the proper direction of the car, here you will have to bribe the police because they will start writing you a fine and everything, but they can also say, look, how do you want to resolve this? And they usually want the biggest notes. They want 100,000 guaranis. So that's the price of the bribe thing. Well, now that you know what they will ask you for, how beautiful this is decorated. I've seen it improve. They changed these paintings on the wall. So yeah, next time that you come, you might see something a bit different. But yeah, it's always elegant. It's always beautiful. Saturday, we had the visit to the other hotel. They had a wedding. It looks like they're having a wedding here. So Saturdays, you might expect going to beautiful hotels and have the weddings or parties, especially in summer season, where people celebrate more. And yeah, come here. Next thing I would say is go inside, feel it yourself, find the best spots. But yeah, this is already a good introduction. I'm shortcutting your way to finding whatever you like the most. You know what places to look for. More videos coming soon. Remember, this is Recoleta. It's another beautiful neighborhood along with Morra. More neighborhoods coming soon. Actually, we're gonna put them over here. I'll see you in the next video. Let's walk together.